Hi, I am Dr. Beth Fleming, Director of Research and Development and Chief Scientist for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and Director of the Engineer Research and Development Center. Since 1929, ERDC, and before it, the Waterways Experiment Station, has sought to discover, develop, and deliver innovative solutions to the toughest engineering and scientific challenges known in the world. Today is no exception. We have been called on to solve the unsolvable and accomplish what many think is impossible. For us, it is a no-fail mission we simply must deliver on. To accomplish that mission, we rely on the expertise and experience that has been nurtured and built upon since our earliest days. That includes all of our partners, so important to what we do. We can't do anything without them. They include members of the federal family, states, locals, academics, and industry who help us get all the way to the finish line every time we want to deliver. At ERDC, our research and development is built on the foundation of 7 core competencies. These competencies are, by their very definition, the cornerstone by which we do everything and where ERDC is recognized as world leaders in each. These do not shift, they do not waver, and they position us as the go-to research organization for the Department of Defense, the U.S. Army, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. There are 2 bins that we have for our research. They are mainly civil works and military support. For the military, we do things that help us train our soldiers as well as get them where they need to be when they deploy, protect them while they're there, and bring them back home safely. In the area of civil works, we support the complex missions associated with flood, navigation, and the environment. So the foundational areas include civil and military engineering, computational prototyping and leveraging the power of high-performance computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, building better and smarter military installations and infrastructure, advancing battlespace terrain, mapping and characterization so we can see where our enemies are, understanding blast and weapons effects, and developing structures and technology to withstand any weapon system our soldiers may encounter. Coastal, river, and environmental engineering, and being at the frozen edge of coal region science and engineering, because the types of terrain and extreme environments that we experience, whether we're military or civil works, is always different. The research and development being conducted in each of our 7 research laboratories, from stopping the spread of invasive species, to deploying the latest in modeling simulation technology, to developing and testing innovative geospatial techniques, is making a difference, and it has so much impact on the world. Our research is saving lives, and it is constantly pushing the envelope of what is and what can be across the engineering and science spectrum. We are helping our nation build better and smarter and giving our warfighters the advantage to operate and dominate on the multi-domain battle space of today and tomorrow.